In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book an Airbnb for one night vertical bar 2026 vertical bar step by step. Whether you're planning a quick business trip or a spontaneous getaway, this guide will show you how to lock in a single night stay smoothly and confidently. Start by heading to the Airbnb website or opening the Airbnb app. In the search bar, enter your city or location. Next, choose your check-in date. And for a one-night stay, set your checkout to the very next day. Add the number of guests so the platform can show accurate options and prices. For example, if you check in on June 10th, set your checkout for June 11th. Once everything looks right, run the search to see what's available. Because some places require a minimum of 2 to 7 nights, it helps to fine-tune the results. Open the filters. Turn on Instant Book if you want a place you can confirm right away without waiting for host approval. You can also select entire place if you prefer full privacy, though that's optional. Set your budget, and if you like, choose a property type that matches your needs. With your date set to just one night, Airbnb will automatically hide places that don't allow single night bookings, so your list should already be tailored to your plan. Before you commit, open a listing and review the important details carefully. Look at the total price, which includes the nightly rate and any cleaning fees. One-night stays can feel pricier because that cleaning fee is spread over only one night, so compare a couple of options to find the best value. Check the check-in and check-out times to make sure they fit your travel schedule. Read the house rules to avoid surprises, things like quiet hours, pet policies, or no smoking guidelines. Scan the reviews to confirm the place matches the photos and that the host is responsive. Finally, note the cancellation policy, which can range from flexible to strict, so you know what happens if your plans change. When you're ready to book, choose Reserve or use Instant Book if it's available for faster approval. Confirm your details, dates, guests, and price, add your payment method, and submit the booking. You'll receive a confirmation with everything you need to know for check-in and check-out. That's it. You've searched, filtered for single-night friendly options, verified the key details, and completed the booking. Follow these steps each time you need a quick stay, and you'll get a place that fits your schedule, budget, and comfort level. Safe travels and enjoy your night away.